Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday, 1st December 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 13, number 4, number 17, number 45, number 31, booster number 22. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership. 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction first number 35, number 15, number 44, number 26, number 6, booster number 34. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete now.